Hey friend, if you're wondering how to improve your content, we have the solution for you. The content score and a checklist will guide you point by point on how to do it. Content score gives you the information on how far your content is from the competitors. Your current content score is at 58% optimized, while your best competitor's content is at 67. Your goal is to reach at least a few points higher than your best competitor. Next to the content score, there is a checklist. The checklist gives you the information on how to reach a higher score. A higher score means that Google and readers will understand your content better. As a result, your content will rank higher on Google and have a higher conversion rate. To see a detailed checklist, you click on the content score. Starting from the top, we have a checklist that checks if the query is included in the important elements of the page, so in meta title, meta description, H1 and H2 headings. This will help Google make sure that your content is about a specific query. Our query is best marathon shoes. So to better optimize your content, you should try to include it in the main elements of your page. For example, let's look at the title, so H1 heading. You can see that you are missing a marathon word. So you go to the title and you try to naturally include this word in it. Perfect. The same you do with the rest. Lower, we have the usage of suggested terms in text. You can see here how many of the recommended terms have been used in the particular sections in your text. In other words, how well the content is optimized. As you can see, we did a great job with meta title and meta description, but we can definitely improve H1 and H2 headings and the text. Lower, we can see that our content is too short compared to average. And if you don't overuse recommended terms in your content, then over-optimization risk will be low. At the bottom of the checklist, you will find a content summary. That's all.